Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. You might think, well, what are you doing with all this stuff, right? Well, what I'm going to do is show you how I put glue from these big bottles into the little bottles like this. It doesn't have to be complicated or hard, okay? Now, as I said before, I can't get Cosmic Shimmer anymore. I usually keep it in a little baggie, you know, and stuff. Cosmic Shimmer comes with an easy, you know, you just turn it up, snip off the end there, and you can transfer it really easy. Can't get this anymore. Not in the US anyways. Maybe some local shops might still have some. I don't know. All I know is I could get this when it was warmer, so I did get some of these. This they will ship even when it's cold weather. So there you go. And I think I'm just going to be switching over to this. I wouldn't get this before because it was more expensive, and I'm a very frugal girl. This is now the same price as comparable to any of these other glues. So I like this one. It just was more expensive. That's the only reason I didn't use it. Now I'm going to be using it, but I'm going to use up this first, so because I got this before I got this. Anyways, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that. Get this from this to this. Now, you can try to pour that in. That would be a mess, right? You've got this opening, and you've got, yep, you got this opening. When you glue your cap to your bottle, you just, you know, get some pliers. That's what I do. I just get some pliers and, you know, take care of that. So putting that in there would be really, really risky, okay? I need to refill this. Now, I do give you a warning. What I'm going to do is going to be fast, so you got to watch your glue levels and don't just make it come out and, you know, make a volcano or something, okay? So I'm going to put that out of the way because I'm not going to refill it right now. But this is what I'm going to do. After you got your lid off, of this one, this is, but I should explain myself. This is a condiments bottle, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, whatever you want to put in there. That's what this is. Now you can get these cheapy just about anywhere, or you can wash up the ones when you use up your ketchup or mustard in the fridge. Wash them up, dry them out, do the same thing, okay? It's food grade and it's airtight. So it will keep the glue fresh between fillings, okay? That's my theory anyways. So you just take, now see this opening and this opening are very compatible. You just take and pour this in here, right? Just give it a little squeeze to hurry it along, that kind of thing. If I weren't making a video, I would just let that sit there and drip all the glue out. Not going to do that because that will take a while. But just so you know, that's how you do that. And I always keep a baby wipe, you know, because I'm notorious for gluing my lids to my, I do. Anyways, yep. All right, so now that we've got, let me move these things out of the way now. Now that we've got these, now that we've got the glue in here, we're just going to put its lid back on it. See, no syringe, no straining and pulling and pushing, and no, it's just, I told you before, I like to make things easy, right? Not complicated, easy. Now, as I said, this will come out really fast, so do be careful. But all you have to do is put this, which is very compatible with that, and just squirt it right in there. Watch your glue line as your glue comes up, because you don't want to overfill it and, you know, make that volcano, right? Because I'm good at doing that. Just saying. So wipe your nozzle off, right? And put your lid on. Glue's ready and fresh for the next filling when I you know, when I need to refill again. Hopefully I can get this on there without it being too. I overfill a little bit, and then I have to get the pliers to get. It's fine. So this one will go back into my glue press as soon as I get that off. And it'll be ready for crafting. Yep. We like these little nozzles. This is the easy way to put glue into these bottles. The little teeny weeny ones, this size ones, whatever size you want to use. That's the way to put the glue in there. I just thought I would share that. Quick short video, just sharing how to put glue in. And now we're ready to craft. I gotta clean my mat. Now we're ready to craft and have a lot of fun. This will help you get your holiday crafting done. I'll have to fill this up several times. Just saying. It's what I have to do. I mean, you know, it doesn't last me too long because I use it. It lasts, but I use it a lot. So when you use it a lot, you get these big old bottles to fill up those little bottles with, because why would I get a little bitty bottle of glue? It wouldn't work for me. But these, yep, big old bottles of glue, put them in this, just like ketchup, right? And it squirts right out. So that was just an epiphany I had a good while back. I did use the syringe method, where you pull the glue out of the big bottle and then put it into the small bottle, and that is really hard to do, or it was for me, because the plunger, you have to pull it and pull it and pull it and pull it. That's hard on your hands. This is not. This is easy on everything. Pour it in, squirt it out, just like you would ketchup or mustard. You can get these on Amazon. You can get them, I think the Dollar Tree even has them. I haven't been there in a while, but Walmart, I'm pretty sure, anywhere. Or just, like I said, use up your mustard or your ketchup and wash that bottle out, as long as you can get the lid off it. You need a wide mouth opening, and there you go. So we are ready to craft. So join me next time in the next video, and we will do some of that. And you will have your glue all ready, and I'll have my glue all ready. Okay, you guys have fun. Take care. Please like and subscribe, pretty please. Thanks for watching. TTFN.